In this demonstration, our goal is to copy and extend an AA agent, Master Data Governance Standard Advisor, from a pre-built template within Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, specifically targeting the supply chain management domain, product management. Our primary objective is to create a duplicate of the existing Master Data Governance Standard Advisor and customize it to align with the specific business requirements. We'll preview the agent, modify the prompts and tools, and utilize the tools to verify data quality and integrity, ensuring that the product master data complies with the internal governance standards and external regulatory requirements. The AA agent we'll build named Master Data Governance Standard Advisor assists product data stewards and product managers in evaluating the compliance of product master data with the company's established governance and standardization policies. It boosts product managers' decision-making confidence by guaranteeing master data integrity, enabling teams to make informed business decisions based on consistent and reliable product information. The main stages in building this agent involves copying pre-built master data governance standard advisor template and creating your own agent team, creating tools to fetch or display item details, and defining company policies, extending agent team with the worker agent using these tools, customizing the AA agent prompt to validate and review item compliance, and finally testing and publishing the agent for end-user access. To start building our agent, we need to access the AA Agent Studio, the environment where Oracle Fusion administrators and developers define and manage AA-driven assistants. From the main menu under Tools, open AA Agent Studio. The landing page of Oracle AA Studio shows all the ready-to-use AA agents or templates. You can quickly find what you need using the family or product filters. Let's try searching for the Master Data Governance template using keywords. Click on Copy to instantiate and configure the pre-built template. Let's key in a suffix, preferably the student credential provided to you, to create a unique agent team. Our unique agent team is created. Use the gear wheel settings icon to review the details of the agent team. You will receive an agent team code, which is an essential part of the Invoke API process. This code allows us to accurately retrieve the correct metadata associated with a specific agent from the database and load it efficiently. Each of the agent team is assigned a product family as well as product. The maximum interaction limit here prevents excessive attempts by supervisors or agents. Currently, it is capped at 10 interactions for this agent team. This measure basically avoids runaway process and potential errors, ensuring efficient operations. And the description helps you know what the agent team is all about and why it is useful. We'll go with the pre-built settings for this demo. Next, let's dive into the worker agent settings. Here you will find the similar details as in the agent team, and below the description you will find the prompts, which provides step-by-step instructions for the large language model, guiding its operation effectively. In this case, in the initial step, the agent provides clear instructions to extract item and organization details from the user's input, and it specifies the business object tools required to fetch operational and extended attribute details. Additionally, the agent directs the use of document tool exclusively for compliance and standard check. Thus, this level of detail ensures precise guidance on the agent's functionality. That's about the Detail tab. Switch to the LLM tab and change the summarization mode to enable using custom prompt, as we are going to customize the pre-built prompt later in this demo. Let's update the changes. The pre-built agent is composed of 3 tools. You have 2 business object tools, one to fetch the item operational attributes, and other to fetch the item extended attributes. Next, you also have a document tool, which serves as a comprehensive repository housing the company's policies and compliance standards, ensuring that product data aligns with these established guidelines. We'll edit this tool later from the Tools tab to add our policy documents. Let's note down the tool name. We have reviewed the instantiated agent team details. Let's save it to create the underlying worker agent, tools, and topics associated with this agent team. The instantiated agent teams, agents, and tools are now created. Next, let's get a level deep and add the compliance policy documents to the instantiated document tool and also build a new deep link tool to help product managers review item details when the items are non-compliant. Get onto the Tools tab. Let's search for the document tool we noted down earlier. Let's edit the tool to add the policy documents to the tool. Let's add the policy document. Let's name the compliance document using the student credential provided. We'll choose the status to ready to publish the document for worker agent usage. Key in a description. Upload the policy document. Save the changes to the tool. Now you need to run a scheduled process to publish the documents to agent. Get onto the navigator. Under Tools, choose Scheduled Process. Run the process agent document job. When the job completes successfully, the document will be published for the worker agent usage. Let's get back to the tool and verify the document status. Now we see our policy document is published and ready for worker agent execution. Next, we need to start building our deep link tool for non-compliant item. So let's get onto the deep link tab. Let's add a new deep link. We are building the deep link for SCM family. Product management. Let's use our initials to create a unique name for the deep link. Let's construct the URL to be used to route the users to the item Redwood page using item ID and organization ID. Key in a description. Based on the URL we constructed, the parameters are automatically populated. Let's key in a description and sample value to add more detail to the parameters. This is item ID, and we'll key in a sample value. Key in the description for org ID parameter. Let's enter a sample value. Click on Enter. We are good with the deep link details. Let's create the deep link. Next, we need to add this deep link to a tool to be utilized by the worker agent. Get onto the Tools tab. Let's create a new tool. We are building a deep link tool, so the type is deep link. Again, we'll use our initials to create a unique tool name. We'll key in a description. Let's add the deep link that we built earlier. Choose the deep link, say Add. The deep link is added and it has automatically populated the message to be displayed. Click on Create to create the deep link tool. We have built the necessary tools to extend the pre-built agent. Let's go ahead and add the new deep link tool to our worker agent. Get onto the agent teams. Let's search for the agent team we created under the Draft tab. Here is our agent team. Let's edit it to add the new deep link tool. Get onto the toolbox inside the worker agent. Then in the Tools left panel, let's search for the new deep link tool we just created. Click on Add to add the new deep link tool. The deep link tool to review the non-compliant item is now added. Finally, we need to customize the pre-built prompt and add instructions to call the new deep link tool when items are non-compliant. So let's edit the agent. Get onto the prompt. Let's add a trigger condition to call the deep link tool when items are non-compliant. A trigger condition is added to call the deep link tool when the item is non-compliant, and we are also providing a sample message to clearly indicate the message we want to convey to the user. Now we have added a new tool and extended the pre-built tool prompt to accommodate our unique business requirement. Let's update this prompt and let's publish the agent to get it ready for the users. The agent team is published. Now let's test the agent team in debug mode to validate if it meets our business requirement. Let's edit our published agent team. Use the play button to run the agent in debug mode. Let's validate few items compliance status by sharing input to the agent. Let me key in a query here. You need to provide the item ID and the organization ID. Now the agent is working on a request in the debug mode. We'll be able to see how the agent is executing a request, the tools called, and how the final output is built. It has called the operational and extended attribute tool to fetch the item details, and it has also called the document tool to verify the item compliance. The agent has answered our query. It has taken 69 seconds to build this result. It clearly articulates the item attributes verified and evaluation made based on the compliance document to conform product standards. And in this case, the item is compliant. And as it is compliant, it is not taking us to the deep link tool. Let's key in one more item that is likely to be non-compliant and verify how the agent behaves. Let's key in an item that is likely to be non-compliant. Based on the prompt instructions, the tools are called and the output is getting built. The agent has successfully validated the item, and it clearly states the reason on why it thinks the item is non-compliant. And as the item is non-compliant, it is also giving a deep link to review the item details. Using deep link, product managers can quickly navigate to item and review item attributes. Thus, the agent meets our requirements, and now it is ready for users. We have now built a customized agent based on pre-built template by modifying the prompts and tools. We have also validated the tool, ensuring that the product master data complies with the internal governance standards and external regulatory requirements. That brings us to the end of this demonstration.